Hello, and thank you again for your interest in my course on solving quadratic equations. So first of all, welcome, and let's go ahead and jump right in with what this course actually is. So basically, it's a thorough guide on solving any quadratic equation that you encounter, and it's full of explanations of concepts and thoroughly detailed examples to help you understand quadratic equations fully, and it's presented at a level that's appropriate for an algebra or a pre-calculus student. And really, it's a great supplement for class material, and it's also helpful if you're an independent learner. And basically, it's straight to the point. There's really no fluff, no filler, nothing that's not really necessary in order to understand the concepts. So, who should take this course? Well, algebra and pre-calculus students who want or need help understanding quadratic equations. So, if you're in college and you're taking something like intermediate algebra or beginning algebra or college algebra or a pre-calculus course, basically anything where you're learning quadratic equations, this is helpful for you. If you're a high school student and you have to learn about quadratic equations, this course is also helpful for you. This is also a good idea for independent learners who want or need help understanding quadratic equations. Or maybe you've moved beyond the pre-calculus level, but you need to review quadratic equations. This course is helpful for you as well. So here's some skills you'll need. You must be able to solve basic linear equations like 2x plus 3 equals 0. And you should have skills with basic arithmetic operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and operations involving square root, and be able to factor. And if you're not comfortable with factoring, I do teach a free Udemy course on factoring, so it's totally 100% free all the time, always. So if you need a review on that, go ahead and check out that course there.